Here we see the flawless joint line of the gold-plated General Electric F138 engine.
This vault holds the raw material for the Super Galaxy M, requiring unprecedented security protocols.
The sheer volume of gold necessary for the main fuselage of the Lockheed Martin C-5M Super Galaxy is astonishing.
Clear the port zone, moving to Bay 4.
Copy that. Bay 4 is clear. Lower slowly.
Verify the dimensional accuracy for the Super Galaxy M panels.
All parameters within specification. Initiating lift sequence.
Scan complete. Data looks good.
Confirmed. The weld integrity is flawless.
The thermal gradient on Sector 7 is holding steady.
Good. Maintain the flow rate on the cooling jackets.
The laser scan shows a deviation of 0.01 millimeters.
Adjusting the jig now. We need perfect alignment before the welders engage.
The trimming process ensures the final component matches the precise contours of the wing box for the Lockheed Martin C-5M Super Galaxy.
Here in the automated cleaning bay, 24K solid gold components are purified in an ultrasonic bath, ensure.
Clear the jig. We're lowering the beam now.
The thermal sensor is showing green.
All right, easy now.
Across the facility, technicians inspect the heavy golden outputs, ensuring every part for the C-5M Super Galaxy meets the highest standards.
All right, bring her down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right.
Steady, steady. Perfect, hold it there.
Alignment on sector 4 is perfect.
Confirmed. The microweld is holding seamlessly.
Bring it down 20 centimeters. Steady now. Clear on the left side, engineer. Clear on the right. Lock it in.
Check the routing on schematic 4B, making sure the clamps are secure.
Yes, looks good. The torque is set correctly.
Hold position, lower by 5.
Roger that, lowering 5.
Clear on the left side.
Calibration alignment is green across the board.
Confirmed. The transport system is holding position perfectly.
The finishing phase achieves maximum visual impact, turning the Super Galaxy M into a glowing metallic sculpture.
Final inspection complete. The intake blades are flawless. No debris detected.